Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Polkadot is considered a Layer 0 blockchain protocol because it connects and secures a network of other blockchains. It facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type. Polkadot was designed as a foundation for Web3 technology and to simplify the creation of new applications, products, and services. It was founded by Dr. Gavin Wood, who was also a co-founder of Ethereum. Other founders include Robert Habermeyer and Peter Saban. The token symbol is DOT and can be traded on most crypto exchanges. The Polkadot ICO was held in 2017 with 2.24 million tokens offered at 29 cents each. Now there are 1.25 billion tokens in circulation. The token serves three purposes: staking for operations and security, facilitating network governance, and bonding tokens to connect parachains. This means many transactions on several chains can be processed in parallel, which improves scalability. The Polkadot multi-chain protocol can connect public and private chains, permissionless networks, oracles, and future technologies, allowing these independent blockchains to trustlessly share information and transactions through the Polkadot relay chain. Polkadot is capable of autonomously and forklessly updating its own codebase via on-chain governance, according to the desires of its token holder community. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.